were to do a 2-month schedule, we'll still get 2 months of hard growth that it's really hard to clean off. So I would advise that this boat doesn't get more than a 45-day period without getting cleaned. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the cleaning that I did do on it now. It was on the cusp between a maintenance clean and an hourly, so